comes the man. Here he comes. So Chuck.
Oh, you got the camera going.
Yeah.
What are you talking about, bud?
So how's the trip so far?
Oh, I need to find my Thailand one.
Uh-oh. He's got a headache.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's what happens when you go in the high altitudes.
Yeah, high altitude air sickness.
This is
Extra hamburger.
Samuel Adams. We're eating hamburger, and I have a salad. And he's having his pills. Say goodbye, dear.
Bye.